My name is Harrison Caldera. I'm a music producer, no-code enthusiast, studio owner. I'm here to talk to you about procrastination. Have you ever felt like you don't want to make music, you don't want to make those beats, you don't want to produce, you don't want to engineer anymore? Well, you're not alone. But what if that feeling is more than just a lack of motivation? Brianna Weist in The Mountain Is You suggests that procrastination is actually your mind trying to communicate something to you. In terms of music production, this could be telling you something about the music production process that you might not want to hear. It could be telling you something about your creative process, your workflow, the direction you're headed with the music you're creating. When you don't feel like making music, it's not just about being unmotivated. It's your mind's way of saying something's not quite aligned. Whether it's creative burnout, lack of inspiration. For me personally, it happened when I was working on projects that were too similar. My creative mind was craving something different, something unique, and it didn't feel like I was challenging myself anymore. A solution to this problem, even though this might sound a little bit left field, is delegating. Delegating the production prep process, or delegating the recording, or delegating the mix prep. Freeing up that space can actually allow passion for the creative aspects of this pursuit. If you're feeling stuck creatively, maybe try new artists and collaborating with new sounds. Sometimes breaking the routine is the most important thing. This might resonate with a lot of you, but perhaps your body is telling you to take a break. With the pressure of making songs and making beats to make money, sometimes the creativity gets sucked out of us and it doesn't feel fun anymore. Now, when working with artists, this might even happen as well. It's important to communicate this to your artists in a certain way. The biggest part of music production, music mixing, and music mastering, because it is us to the artists, we have to communicate this to them. We have to build that relationship. Maybe you need to sit down and have clear communication back and forth about each other's ideas to reignite that passion. And another approach is turn up the tempo, turn down the tempo, use different instruments, have other people collaborate with you. Listening to what procrastination is trying to tell you will make breakthroughs in your music production. Next time you're avoiding the studio, don't just push through it. Ask yourself, what's really holding you back here? What can you change to spark that creativity again? If you like this video, please let me know, subscribe, give me some feedback. Maybe you have a different approach to reigniting that creativity. I want to hear about it. And until next time, peace.